Hey guys, yeah, that's what came out of my hair after I took my hair down. So I'm just combing it out again, getting out all those tangles. This is conditioner in my hair. And as you know, I have a short cut. This is before I had a touch up. I don't know what that was. So now I'm just washing out the conditioner. And I still can't believe all that came out. But I usually keep my hair like slicked down underneath my wigs for like, honestly, the whole month. I'm not gonna lie. So I'm just washing all the dirt and debris, and I'm really using my nails to like scratch my scalp to really, get in there. I do this in the shower normally, but sometimes I want to look in the mirror. So I'm just rinsing out all the shampoo. And this is what my hair looks like in its natural state. I'm like a coolie haired girl, that's what they say. Yeah, it looks crazy. So I don't know what I'm doing here. Oh, I'm trying to get the lotion thing open. So this is the Shea Moisture Strengthen and Grow Restore lotion that I use sometimes when I'm blow drying my hair. So I'm just going to put that in there, give it some substance. And when I blow dry my hair, I actually section my hair. My nose was running, so I just thought I'll just stick that up there. So I section my hair usually into 4 parts or 4 quadrants, and I do the front and then I do the back, making sure that I get everything. And I also make sure that I detangle and comb my hair before I put the actual blow dryer through. So I didn't think that the back of my hair needed to be held by anything because it's so short, but it did. So my hair is like a red brown color, like my natural hair color, which I can't stand, but I haven't dyed my hair because you don't really see it most of the time. So, but you can see it here in this video. This tissue looks crazy. I am very tender-headed, or tenderhead, I don't know if headed is a word. So I don't usually go to a salon for this or let my hairstylist do it because they're just rough. I don't like it. Rubber bands do damage your hair. Don't use them. Me, I didn't pay much mind to it. I do have the blow dryer on medium to high heat just so that I can use my hand and not like a comb or brush. If it's on high, I'm not able to touch it. As you can see by my faces, I am not liking this. Oh, okay. We're just going to switch the tissue because whatever. And now I'm just going to go over and make sure like everything is dry. My hair had grown a lot. My hair is usually eyebrow length. Um, and you can clearly see here it's like way past that. It's like almost down to my lips. So I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Just detangle. And I did use the comb of the blow dryer before I turned it on to detangle. It's crazy because this is why I cut my hair, because I don't like doing this. This gets really annoying. I can't stand all the fussing, and when my hair was longer, it was just, such a process. I think after this summer or this fall, I'm going to grow my hair back out. Just not sure. Washing my hair this way does mess my lashes up because the water does fall into my face. So if they look a little sparse, that's just the reason why. Clearly my arm is tired. But it's very important to make sure that you blow dry everything. You really get your hair dry. Even with the short haircut, it'll just dry on its own. You don't want to go outside with wet hair. It'll get you sick. And if you braid your hair while it's wet, it'll tangle even faster. So now I'm parting my hair. And I can't braid with these nails. It's kind of hard. And I really need to grip my hair, especially at this length. But, I said, you know what, I'm going to give it a try. Side note, I definitely did take these braids out when I got to my hairstylist's house because I was not feeling it. It wasn't staying in. The rubber bands were hurting. Ugh. I couldn't really get as close as I wanted to with these nails. It's always a struggle for me to braid with nails. Or maybe I should have made the braids smaller. I don't know. As you can see by my face, I'm hurting myself. Yeah. So I went to get a rubber band. I couldn't find any small black ones, so I used these other ones, and it wasn't working for me at the end. And that's my little firecracker braid. I don't care. Nobody's going to see this. And I'm just plucking my lashes off. This is why I go get my lashes done every other week, because I frequently pluck them off. This is very painful. I have like a sore spot like in the middle of my head, and it's just, ugh, it hurts. It looks horrible, I know, but we're just gonna keep on trucking on. Usually I actually slick my hair back with mousse or gel, but I actually ran out of Eco Styler. So that's what I would normally do. Just use like some Eco Styler and just slick it down, make it hard. But because my hair is so long now, it's a little harder. Yeah, the struggle. Oh my god, this is so painful. Stop. That's what I'm saying to myself. But I just keep going. There's never a reason to go that fast. But I can hear it like that. These braids look horrible. I don't even know why I recorded this. This is embarrassing. But we're on the last one. So let's do our best. Forewarning, when I turn around and show you what this looks like, just don't laugh at me, okay? Is that a plane? Oh, Jesus. All of this while I'm trying to do this voiceover, and it's normally very, very quiet in my area. Fun fact, usually when I get my hair braided by other people, I have to pee. It's too painful. It makes me want to urinate. So weird. Are you tender-headed like that? Or tender-head like that? If so, let me know in the comment section. Like, oh, me too. Huh, the struggle. Don't laugh. I told you don't laugh.